In this video, our technical analysis for the Bitcoin price has played out exactly as predicted. But the question, guys, is this the moment that we have been waiting for the Bitcoin price? But on top of that, guys, we are also going to talk about the Ethereum price action as right now. Is this Ethereum chart hinting one of the best buying indicators ever for the Ethereum price action? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's give you a quick recap with the Bitcoin price action. So diba, previously, yung ating previous video natin, sinabi ko nga diba na what goes down must also come up. And diba meron nga tayo nakita na series of trend. As you can see, we are able to play those bullish divergences. Kasi look at this, declining price while the RSI is increasing. That is an indicator for a bullish trend reversal for the short term. And then we are able to play those areas, diba, na sinasabi ko na bullish trend reversals. And then look at this, yung latest Bitcoin price action natin ngayon. If you're going to look at this closely, we are able to follow and monitor this latest bullish divergence. And look at that, guys. It played out exactly as predicted. Sinabi natin kapon, our first target was the 42.2K. And then after the 42.2K, if we are able to break that, then we are going to follow 42.7K as our next target. And look at that, guys. It actually played out exactly. So right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price? So right now, we are still within this bullish divergence. So as of now, if we are able to break this 42.7K, then our target is more likely going to be around the 43.4K. Provided na mabreak natin yan with buy volume. So ngayon, wala pa tayong nakitang buy volume. So it's still unlikely, not unless we see that buy volume na ating inaabangan. Pero not unless hindi tayo makita ng buy volume, then we are not going to expect a breakout. Not unless yun nga magkaroon ng volume. Pero guys, on top of that, this is the next thing na kailangan natin i-monitor with the Bitcoin price action. Kasi zooming out, if you're going to zoom out dito sa Bitcoin price action, we are now at that final support area ni Bitcoin price. So right now, this is the period na we should be very cautious ngayon. Kasi right now, the Bitcoin price should actually hold this line. Kasi hindi natin ito ma-hold, then we might actually go down to the 37K. And then yun atin magiging next support, which is the 37,000 US dollars. And if hindi natin ma-hold si 37,000, then we are more likely going to go down. Pero right now, this is what we still have to monitor if we are going to get that bounce. Kasi as you can see, we have a bullish divergence for the 4-hour time frame forming within the Bitcoin price action. But ang problem dito is, wala pa tayong bullish divergence forming in the daily time frame. So right now, we have to monitor that one out if we are going to see a bullish trend reversal. As much as possible, sana mag-play out siya kay 4-hour time frame. And yun nga, kay daily kasi wala pa tayong bullish divergence. So right now, if you're going to monitor a bullish divergence, best things to look at is actually the 4-hour time frame. So right now, abang-abang muna tayo dyan with the Bitcoin price action. We are going to wait out for the next movement to play out, especially for the next indicators to form with the Bitcoin price action. Pero let's say guys, you want to maximize itong mga pump and dump movement ni Bitcoin na yan, yung kanya mga movement between the support and resistance area. The best place to trade Bitcoin is actually in BingX kasi dito, if you're going to trade Bitcoin, mas mura ating Bitcoin trading fees. And as compared to Binance na malaking kanilang Bitcoin trading fees, dito kay BingX, mas mura. And as usual, if you want to claim bonus dito kay BingX, just use my sign-up code that you can find in the description down below. Now, let's talk about the Ethereum price action. So, medyo matagal na ating huling update with the Ethereum price action. Pero, yeah, we are going to talk about two things with the Ethereum price action. First things first, it's the long term. And then after that, we are going to dive in with the short term. So as you can see right now, this Ethereum chart na meron ako is actually the daily time frame. And what you can actually see dito is, I have presented the 200-day moving average. Yun yung red line na nakita natin. And then on top of that, I also have this daily time frame relative strength index, which is daily RSI. Itong white line na yan. Typically, the way how we follow the RSI, if it's above 70, that could indicate na it's overbought, indicating that that is a good selling opportunity. Pero if it's below 30, then that is considered as oversold, indicating that that is a good buying opportunity. Pero as you can see, for the year 2021, starting year 2021, Ethereum never went exactly oversold within the daily time frame. Kahit to nagcapitulate yung market noong May, as you can see, hindi nag-oversold si Ethereum. So as you can see right now, Ethereum is actually oversold and it's actually holding below the 30 threshold, indicating that is a good buying opportunity. Pero the question is, when was the last time na naging oversold si Ethereum at ano ba nangyari dun sa previous oversold area niya. So the last time na naging oversold si Ethereum is, if you're going to look back, as you can see, we are right now at the 3,000 US dollars. So let's dive in. Let's scroll back, and then as you can see, tingnan natin, hanapin natin siya. Wala pa, wala pa, wala pa. And look at that. It's actually this area. Let's try to zoom in. Though sa mga previous movement, meron tayong RSI na oversold, pero the last time na it was oversold is actually this area. Ano ba yung value ni Ethereum noong oversold siya? So as you can see, the price of Ethereum, the last time na it was oversold, you can see na ang value niya is around 100 to 123 US dollars. So grabe yung kanyang previous oversold price action. And then if you're going to dive in dito sa mga previous Ethereum price action, the last time na naging oversold si Ethereum was during the time when it was holding around $100 area. So as you can see, if you're going to plot a line dito, the last time na it was oversold was during this area, and it was around the 100 US dollars. And then after niya naging oversold, as you can see, we actually went higher, and then we never looked back dito sa ating Ethereum price action. And look at this. Look at how much we grew from that oversold price action. So from that oversold area, ang total na inakit ni Ethereum is roughly around 3,000%. Ganong kalaki inakit ni Ethereum nun. So this could actually indicate na if you're going to repeat this historical data, then this could actually indicate na right now, we are at the best buying opportunity with the Ethereum price action. Another thing to consider din dito is, if you're going to look at this, the last time na the Ethereum price action was below the 200-day moving average, it's actually indicated na that was a good buying opportunity. Kasi look at this, every time na the Ethereum price action is below the 200-day moving average, that is considered a good, or let's say one of the best buying opportunity. Kasi look at this. This was one area na naging oversold, and it went below the 200-day moving average. That was a good buying opportunity. As you can see, we actually went up. Dito din, Ethereum was actually below the 200-day, and then we also went up. Same goes here. Below the 200-day, we went up. And then right now, we are at that similar area with the Ethereum price action. Now, right now, we are actually oversold, and it's actually below the 200-day moving average. So right now, di ba ating previous video, sinasabi ko na we are seeing a lot of bullish signs and bullish indicator with the Ethereum price action. As you can see right now, we still have a lot of buying opportunities na sinasabi pa din with the Ethereum chart. So it's just a matter of buying the dip using dollar cost average strategy. Just buy the dip and then just have a proper strategy in buying the dip. And then from there on, you're just going to hodl it. Kahit i-hodl mo lang sa spot wallet. As you can see, we are able to get returns with the Ethereum price actions. So this could actually indicate na Ethereum is actually at one of the best buying time with the Ethereum price action. Now, let's dive in for the short-term price action naman. So, ang tagal na natin di na-update si Ethereum for the short term. So, as you can see, just to give you a quick update, diba? Siguro let's try to zoom out and give you a quick recap of what we were following. So, for the bigger time frame, diba, we were actually following this falling wedge or falling channel. Unfortunately, we broke down, and then look at that. We are now playing within this final support area in Ethereum price action. But right now, look at this. So we actually bounced off with the 3,000 US dollars, which is a very crucial support area in Ethereum. So right now we are bouncing with that area, and on top of that, as you can see, we are also forming that similar bullish divergence na nakita natin with the Bitcoin price action. So as you can see, similar with the Bitcoin price action, ganun din yung nakita natin with the Ethereum price action. Pero on top of that, right now we are forming this ascending channel. So as you can see, we have an ascending channel dito, pero I think it's starting to break down. So if this is going to break down, then ano ba yung magiging movement natin? So if this breaks down, then our target support areas is actually the 3,100 US dollars as well as the 3,000 US dollars. So yun yung ating areas to watch out for with the Ethereum price action if, let's say, this continues to the downside. Pero if wala tayong makitang sell volume, then it's more likely going to get a bounce within the 3.1K. So possible na mag-bounce siya dyan. So that's what we are going to monitor within the coming hours. Pero right now, ang traditional technical target niya is actually the bottom of the wedge, which is around the 3,000 US dollars area. And yeah, that's for the Ethereum price action for the very short term. Pero let's say we are able to get buy volume, then in order for us to flip bullish with the Ethereum price action, we need to break the 3.2K area in order for us to continue to the upside. But nonetheless, we are seeing a bullish divergence forming within the 4-hour time frame with the Ethereum price action. So yeah, this could either be a minor pullback with the Ethereum price action if, let's say, we are going to play out this bullish divergence forming in the 4-hour time frame. So guys, I also posted yung ating update with the Ethereum price action and then yung ating sinasabing data kanina. So if you want to check this out actually in TradingView, you can find it in the description down below. And on top of that, guys, meron din kaming announcement. We have actually launched our Gabs Crypto page in LinkedIn. So, the purpose of this page is to actually connect with professionals and academe na gustong pumasok sa ating crypto market. So, if you have a LinkedIn account, you can actually follow us dito sa ating Gabs Crypto page in LinkedIn. And then from there on, magpo-post tayo ng iba't ibang updates din in LinkedIn. So, if you want to follow that, you can actually join dito sa ating LinkedIn page. I'll also post a link of this in the description down below. And then if you want to connect with me with LinkedIn, you can actually find my LinkedIn account din dito sa Gabs Crypto page. All you have to do is just to go to people, and then makita nyo actually yung aking account dito sa people you may know dito sa ating Gabs Crypto LinkedIn page. So ayun muna update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye for now.